In 1974, a British cabinet minister faked his own death and almost got away with it. John Stonehouse was one of the most powerful men in Britain, Postmaster General, trusted politician, respected public figure. He was also completely broke, deep in fraud, and secretly in love with his secretary. So he walked into the ocean off of Miami Beach, left his clothes on the sand, and disappeared. Everyone assumed he had drowned. But 6 weeks later, Australian police spotted him in Melbourne. They weren't even looking for him. They thought he was Lord Lucan, a British lord wanted for murder who had vanished around the same time. Wrong fugitive. Right result. Stonehouse was arrested, extradited back to Britain, and put on trial for fraud. But here is where it gets truly bizarre. He refused to re-sign his seat in Parliament, so while he sat in a courtroom being prosecuted as a criminal, he was technically still a serving member of Parliament. He was convicted in 1976 and sentenced to 7 years. The ocean didn't take him. His own ego did.